Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Gautam from BHEL Day Trader. So in the morning we have updated the watch list for our today intraday stocks. So let's see how it has performed in our volume profile levels. So this is the Nifty chart. As we have mentioned earlier, so the market didn't retrace back to this POC level. So today also market in the sideways. Today is expiry date, and most of the writers have booked profit today. So market didn't came to this level. We should wait for this level. We should wait for the market to get retraced back to this level, and we have a good trade in this 17,100 to 17,050 level. Okay. So the first stock is Crompton. So first I draw the volume profile for yesterday's trade. So in this you can see the market opened inside the yesterday's high and low and went up and got retraced back to value area low. I am going to mark the value area low and the volume cluster which is below the value area. So the market has made a rejection in this price, but it didn't go much higher. So this is one of the action. So the market, it is a auction. So there is an auction. So there are bidders. There will be the buyers or the sellers in this market. So it is an auction. So in this, the market is in a failed action mode. So this is the failed action. Once the market broke this level, it will come down. So this is the failed auction. There are two types of auction. One is a perfect action, one is a failed action. The perfect action means, the price will make a strong rejection at this price. So auction means there should be only one buyer who is going to buy this product, the one who bids higher the price. So in this there is a failed action occurred. So the market tends to be in a sideways in this price. So if the market went to the POC, it could have retraced down. So there is no trade in the Crompton Creeps. So the next stock is M&M Finance. So as you can see, yesterday the market is in a gap up. So we thought today the market will go to the POC and make a retracement back to day before yesterday's close. So we thought the market will come to this 164 or 165 range and will come to this level, but it didn't retrace back. It is in a sideways action. I'm going to mark the value area, volume cluster which is below the value area. So this is one of the volume cluster, and this is the value area low. So market is in the inside and went down. If the market retraced back to this level on the upcoming session, the market will come down to 153. So let's see what is going to happen. So the next stock is a Persistent. So in the Persistent, we have a good trade, as I have mentioned earlier in this video. So here the action is perfect. So let's see. So you can clearly see the market open inside the yesterday's high and low, but outside the value area. So I'm going to mark the POC first. So if the market retraced earlier today to this level, I might have gone for a short to this POC and I waited for the short trade, but the market made a rejection in this volume cluster strongly. So this is one of the a perfect action have occurred here, and it is a strong rejection area. We took a trade around 3,995 and maintain a stop loss around 25 to 30 points. So we booked a profit around 50 to 60 points in this trade. Okay. So this is the successful trade. And the next stock is a Balakrishna Industries. So this is one of the perfect action occurred. So let's see the profile for yesterday's range. So you could clearly see the volume occurred at the low level, and there is the POC generator in this place, but the market opened nearer to the POC. So we should wait for the market to go outside the value area or at least to the value area high. So I'm going to mark the value area high here. So the market made a strong rejection at the value area high. So we took a trade around 2030 to 2035. So in this trade, we should book the profit nearer to the POC. So our target is nearer to the POC around 2006 to 2005. We booked the profit here and the market is in the sideways. It might go up in the upcoming trades. Okay. So this is one of the successful trade. The next stock is FSL. So in the FSL, I am going to mark the volume profile for yesterday's trade. So same as the Persistent and Balakrishna Industries. It is also in the initial balance, the market came down and retraced back to this volume cluster. I waited for the market to retrace back to the POC, but it made a rejection. So this is also a failed action only, but we can take a trade here because the market traded almost from 10:45 to 1:30, almost 2 to 3 hours in this price. So it might come to the what we can say the initial first candle low. So this is the initial balance. We can consider it can come to this initial balance range. So we took a trade around 134 to 134.5. So there is a small profit in this trade, 132 to 132.5. So if the market came to this POC, there might be a strong rejection happen. So this POC is generated using the volumes which is more traded on the yesterday's trade. So everyone should note this volume carefully, and we should handle it very carefully and clearly, because if there is no volume in the market, the price won't go much higher or lower, and there won't be any what we can say that not respect for this price. So there should be a volume and the price should move on. So we should consider these kinds of levels. So in this we can see this is the one of the volume cluster which is nearer to the value area low. I'm going to mark this place. So market made a rejection and the same candle the market went to the POC. So we waited for this price to get rejected at the same price again, but it came at the very end of the market. So we didn't take any trade in this Divi Slab stock. So today we have taken three trades in which two of them are good, and we made almost 2 to 3% in both the trades and 1% in another trade. So we should wait for the price. We should wait for the price to retrace at our levels. We should not be in a dilemma after entering the trade. Before entering the trade, we should be in a clear mind, because in the intraday trades there will be a lot of emotion happening in this market. So we should neglect that emotion. We should be clear. I am going to buy this stock. I am going to take a long trade or a short trade. So at this place, if the price comes to my level, I am going to take a long trade, and this is my stop loss, and the price I am going to book the target is this place. So we should be in a very clear mindset before entering the trade. So and wait for the price to get retraced back. Don't trade quickly. So in the initial stages, like we are trading the initial stage, we used to trade the market in a 1 minute chart, and we might have paid a subscription to get a 5 seconds or 10 seconds chart. But everything we done takes us, or what I'm going to say is, so in the first 15 minutes of the trade, there will be a lot of volumes going to be traded. So that decides the direction of the market which is going to be traded on the upcoming session. So we should wait for the first 15 minutes to finish, and let's see where the market is going to, where the market is heading to. So we can we can change our decision after the first 15 minutes of the trade. So always use stop loss order. So don't neglect the stop loss, because we have many experience. Whenever I omit the stop loss, the price come to our levels to the stop loss and might rejected. So due to the emotion, I made a stop loss, I booked the profit. So sorry, I booked the loss and I have wasted my profit on. So leave it that side. Always maintain a stop loss, always maintain a limited order, and always maintain the, what we can say, target price. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts related to the volume profile and what are the stocks we are going to, so how to select the stocks, how to filter the stocks, do contact us. I have given my contact number in the description box, and we have given our mail ID, so you can contact us through them. Thank you for us, support us, kindly subscribe to our channel, and share to your friends. They might be in a need of this idea. So thank you for watching this. We'll meet again in the tomorrow's video. Thank you.